Imagine hitting the open road, taking on new adventures in a van that's built for both comfort and utility. But here's the twist. This isn't just any van. It's a Mercedes-Benz, engineered with precision and luxury, transformed into the ultimate camper. Let me introduce you to the 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 van conversion. It's got the space, the style, and the performance to make your road trips unforgettable. Stick around, because you're about to see why this van could be your dream home on wheels. If you're searching for a camper that offers high-end features without the bulky size of an RV, the Sprinter 2500 is a game-changer. With its powerful turbo diesel engine, cutting-edge technology, and fully equipped living space, this van proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for mobility. It's designed for long journeys, weekend getaways, and everything in between. Let's talk about what makes this van stand out. First, the performance. The 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission ensures a smooth and efficient drive. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rugged terrain, it's fuel-efficient, powerful, and reliable. Exactly what you need for a cross-country adventure. Now step inside, and you'll see why this isn't just a van. It's a home. The interior is completely customized, featuring a premium kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and a functional bathroom setup. High-end finishes, including soft-touch cabinetry and LED ambient lighting, make the space feel modern and inviting. Whether you're cooking, working, or relaxing, everything is designed to maximize both comfort and practicality. Of course, no van is perfect, so what's the catch? If you're used to massive RVs, you might find the living space a bit compact. But don't worry, the clever layout, underbed storage, and overhead compartments make it easy to store your essentials without clutter. And while the price tag might be higher than some other van conversions, you're getting premium Mercedes-Benz quality, which means durability and resale value remain strong. So, should you consider the 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 van conversion? If you want a sleek, high-performance van that blends luxury with adventure-ready features, this could be the perfect fit. It's fuel-efficient, packed with smart technology, and offers all the essentials for life on the road. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time van lifer, the Sprinter 2500 delivers a premium experience. If you're curious to learn more, I've dropped a link in the description where you can check out all the details and even book a test drive. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and if you're new here, subscribe for more in-depth camper van reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you take the Sprinter 2500 on your next big adventure? Next week, we'll be reviewing another incredible van, the 2025 Winnebago Revel, built for those who love off-grid travel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss that review. See you in the next video.